Yo, what's going on, traders? Got another green day today. No red trades. Stay tuned. Yo, traders. Got a green day, as you heard in the intro. It's a very short video, not that long. It took two trades. I took three trades today, and made my profit target. So here we go. I'm gonna start making some try to make some more educational type videos on my not I don't say educational, but I'm gonna start trying to make some videos on how I enter stocks and stuff like that. Reading a level 2 on time and sales. So here we go. So just looking for a trade. I'm looking for a dip. It's overextended. Not gonna chase it up. Not gonna chase it up past 8. Something that I've just developed in my mind. Like it's a mindset you gotta develop to not chase these stocks, no matter how much is going up and how much excitement it is. So I got the pullback, but it was a missed entry because I want to play this back below 750. But the fact that this is one of my entries of why I did this stock, why I entered here, and I'm gonna try to make a video on this. But like, if that stock, if this candle would have pulled back to 750 or really below 750, which is where I really wanted it, I would have added. Took my first trade at a psychological support level because right now it's overextended. It's floating. This stock is floating in the air. See this big old pocket. And if it would have went against me, I would have took another ad spot here and expecting a bounce back up. So it did. I didn't take a trade on this pullback because it didn't pull back farther enough to the 750 mark. So I'm like, okay, I ain't tripping. So what I did was just wait, just let it do its thing. I let it break out. Broke out. So now the fact that it broke out. So now I want to play a dip below 8 and see if I can play it back over. And that's what I did here. It's one of my try to entry that like that. It's one of my entries that I like to do. So I jumped in at 797. Could have got in a lot better. Took it off. Quick little squeeze. First trade of the day. I made. I'm looking at the stock to see if I get back in, but I made 30 cents on my first trade. This stock here was a money maker. Like this was a nice stock, man. This is a nice stock to trade. Same stock, TLC, waiting for that pullback. It's pulling back to the VWAP. And let me pause it here. It's pulling back to the VWAP here in the 3-minute chart. But really, I'm kind of focused here. I'm more focused on the 5-minute charts VWAP. And I want it to pull back here to 750. It says 754 here, but I really want that to pull back at 750. So that's what I was waiting on too. And it never pulled back that far. So you can say, I guess, on maybe on this next trade here, I'm about to take. No, never mind. Let me see. I can't remember. Let me play it out. So we get the pullback. I like that. Just reading, just trying to get an entry here. So I like that it's a pullback on both these candles, and that 15-minute candle is still green. So, it's still bullish in my opinion. Try to get the little squeeze there. Didn't happen. And I'm starting to see that there's some, I guess this is more of a feel type of play here. Like, I felt that this stock wasn't going down. And I take a stab. Like, you see how, look at the bids. Like, I ain't gonna say that I just felt it. I really I should take an entry there. But like look at the bids. Like, okay, it pulled back there, it crashed. It dumped on a little bit. But did not get lowered in the VWAP. Look at the bid. Look at all the reds coming through. 73s, 74s. The lows was just at, I just showed you that 73, okay? Look at that. Didn't get below 73. 73 again, only look at that. They go to squeeze. So I missed my squeeze, which is, I'm like, I saw that. So I'm like, okay, there's some support below that, down at the VWAP. Took an entry here, 788. And it doesn't take off immediately, or does it? I could have took off. I'm trying to get better hold of my shares too. I'm not taking off in a little 5 cents or whatever. But it doesn't take off immediately. But I'm still holding on to this stock because if you just want to base it off the chart, which is what I was doing. You got a wick here. So that means, it signifies a little bit of support. But really that tape, what I saw what it did at that 773 level, and then it bounced from there and it went up from there. that's bullish. So now I'm just playing it like, okay, it pulled back, did a little bounce, and I'm thinking it should like if you understand like how stocks move and stuff like that, which I'm still trying to do, that is going to go, it should go back and at least test the whole dollar level, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that test because it didn't break down. Like this stock did not break down, so I'm like, okay, is more than likely going to try to test 8 again. So that's what I'm waiting for. If I explain that right, like, yeah. So, like, see, it's not crashing, like it's not falling. So I'm holding this stock. We got some reds there. I'm like, okay, feeling a little heat, but the VWAP still there. The low that previous candle was 7, I think 62 or something like that. So I was watching that too. I probably would have cut it off if it would have broke the previous low. Never did that here. So that's why I'm holding on to this position, even though it's going against me like this. The tape's looking red, it's looking scary. Like just look at the bid level over here. It's not falling. You don't see no reds coming through. Seems like 80 trying to hold, like $7.80 trying to hold the support. Now it's low volume. Like the tape is sluggish. It's low volume, but I just do that. The fact that this stock is not crashing fast enough and it's kind of staying above the VWAP, that it was gonna go back and test 8, and that's what it did. I got it. I was waiting for that rip above 8. That's my second trade of the day. Look at that. They go to dump. See? I knew it was gonna test that $8 level and like do that, act as a resistance. So I was waiting for that just to test it. Jump back in here at 776 because it's the VWAP play. It crashed. It was like it rejected 8 so hard and fast that I took a trade off that panic. Took it off for a nice little gain. I only had 50 shares. Yep. And that's it, man. 3 trades, all green. It's your boy Money Games. Please like and subscribe to content. Thank you.